In today's video, we're going to look at a USB microphone by Maono. This is model AU-903. It's a little bit larger than their AU-902. This one has switchable polar patterns. It's got cardioid and omnidirectional, zero latency monitoring, and it's plug and play for recording, YouTube channels, podcasts, gaming, and video conferencing like Zoom. This one also has a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. It's got the microphone gain and the monitoring controls right on the microphone. I want to thank the guys at Maono for sending this over to review on the channel. Nice thing is this one has a headphone jack with a monitoring system, with the monitor volume right on the microphone. This one also comes with a table stand. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. Of course, you're going to get the user manual and support information. USB-C to USB-A cable, so that's definitely nice to see. Okay, so yeah, the table stand actually has quite a bit of weight to it. A little bit heavier than I expected, actually. Nice little rubber pad there on the bottom. Pretty easy to rotate the microphone here. And then you can tighten it up on the sides once you've got it set. It's got the microphone gain and the monitoring controls right on the microphone. And the top button also functions as the mute button. Nice thing is, even though this is a smaller microphone, it's pretty much an all metal build. Then on the back is your two different polar patterns, cardioid and omnidirectional. And then towards the bottom is your headphone jack and your USB-C input. I gotta say, overall, this is a really nice looking little microphone. So for the next part of the video, you'll definitely want to use headphones so you can hear what this microphone sounds like. This is a mic test for the Maono Fairy AU-903 USB microphone. You can choose between omnidirectional and cardioid polar pattern. This is currently on cardioid. Now don't forget, you'll want to use headphones for this section of the video so you can hear what this microphone sounds like. Now, for some reason, it does feel like there's a little bit of static in the monitoring system. I don't think I mentioned earlier, but this is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Nice thing is, I just plugged this right into my laptop to start recording, and I didn't have to really do anything. It just started working automatically. So you don't have to worry about installing any third-party software or anything. So if you're watching this video, I'm curious what you're going to be using this microphone for. Do you have a YouTube channel, a podcast, or maybe you're going to use this for some gaming on Switch or YouTube? As far as functionality wise goes, I think this is actually really good. It seems really simple to use the button on the top for the mute button. Nice thing is, this one's really compact, unlike some of the other larger microphones out there. So you're going to be able to put this one just about anywhere without taking up a lot of space. So like I said earlier, this microphone is pretty much all made of aluminum alloy and has a metal casing. It definitely feels a little more premium than some of the other USB microphones in this price range. Here's what it sounds like once I'm typing on my laptop, which is basically right next to the microphone. And again, this is on the cardioid polar pattern. Obviously, it's going to be louder if you've got a mechanical keyboard instead of one on your laptop, but I think that gives you a general idea. Now I'm going to switch over to the omnidirectional just so you can see what the difference is. Okay, so now we've got it switched over to omnidirectional. Okay, so now this is a mic test for the Maono Fairy USB microphone, model number AU-903. I think this is going to be a really good budget microphone, whether you're going to use this on YouTube, podcasts, gaming, and for those of you that are still working from home, I think this is going to be a really good choice for something like video conferencing, whether you're going to be using Zoom or Microsoft Teams. I've currently got the mic gain turned up to about 75%. I'm about 6 to 8 inches away from the microphone. And again, I'm just really impressed with the quality of this microphone, and really good as far as build quality and functionality, even compared to the more expensive microphones I've tested on here. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention, apparently this microphone can be mounted on a cantilever, but it's not included in the package. I don't know, I'm so impressed with this microphone that I may have to do some other videos where I'm comparing this to some more expensive ones just to see if anyone can tell the difference. So hopefully this video gave you a little closer look at the Maono UA-903 Fairy USB microphone. I hope you've enjoyed my pro level gaming footage here. And would I recommend this USB microphone from Maono? Yeah, I would have no problems recommending this USB microphone. Now the only thing I can't quite figure out is why is there static on the cardioid setting but not on omnidirectional? As soon as I switch it over to cardioid, I'm sure you can probably hear it in the video. Apparently it's some kind of static. I don't know if it's just the location that I'm recording this. Maybe there's some kind of interference. So I don't know, if you buy this microphone, you probably are going to want to use omnidirectional just because it doesn't have that static. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.